Trouble is mounting for the Rajasthan Congress as Sachin Pilot's camp claims that their phones now are being tapped. The allegations have been made by MLA Ved Prakash Solanki and it's churned out a fresh political drama in the state. The opposition BJP has slammed the Gehlot government over the infighting and also the charges of phone tapping.
Sensational twist to Rajasthan Congress tussle. In a dramatic escalation, the Sachin Pilot camp has now fired snooping charge at CM Gehlot camp. Congress MLA Ved Prakash Solanki, a Pilot loyalist, has alleged that phones of many MLAs are being tapped without naming CM Gehlot himself.
कुछ लोगों ने कहा है, हमारे विधायक साथियों ने भी कहा है, उधर के जो विधायक साथी हैं तो उन्होंने भी ये चीज़ कही है कि फ़ोन टेपिंग हो रहे हैं अधिकारियों को किसी भी तरह पे उच्च अधिकारियों द्वारा या आदि से नीचे वाले अधिकारियों को भी ऐसा हो रहा है, उनको डराने धमकाने जैसी बात सामने आई है।
Rajasthan Transport Minister and close aide of Gehlot rubbished the phone tapping charges.
यदि किसी को शिकायत है तो मुख्यमंत्री जी से मिले, यदि फिर भी उनको लग रहा है तो मेरे साथ चल लें। ना तो कोई फोन टेप होता है, ना ऐसी कोई बात है, ना हम फोन टेप करते हैं, फोन टेप होता ही नहीं है।
The infighting in Rajasthan Congress has given Bharatiya Janata Party ammo to corner Rajasthan government.
अवैध तरीके से जनप्रतिनिधियों के टेलीफोन टैप करती है और उसे अपने राजनीतिक हथियार के रूप में उपयोग करती है। मुझे लगता है कि कांग्रेस को, कांग्रेस की सरकार और सरकार के मुखिया को इसका स्पष्टीकरण करना चाहिए।
As the turmoil continues, Congress President Sonia Gandhi stepped in to douse the raging factional fight fire, beginning the process to resolve and reconcile. Priyanka Gandhi's meet with Sachin Pilot is aimed at addressing his concerns. A cabinet expansion is on the cards in Rajasthan, and India Today has learnt from sources that 4 to 5 MLAs from Gehlot camp will be given ministerial berths. Some other Pilot loyalist MLAs will be given positions in the Rajasthan Congress. The government may finally deliver on promises made to Pilot after his last rebellion in 2020. Congress leadership may also want Sachin Pilot to take up a central role. Congress is also keen to avoid any fresh desertion, especially after Jitin Prasad jumped ship to BJP. With both sides going on an offensive, the political temperature has already gone up by more than a few notches. But whether Sachin Pilot and some of his key aides are able to get a share in the power pie or not as an outcome of this political tussle could determine the way the Congress politics would go in the times to come. With Nikhil Sharma, Devankur Vadhavan in Jaipur, India.